How to add Doordash to CarPlay. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add Doordash to CarPlay. For this, the first thing you want to do is tap and hold on the Dasher app. Now tap on this I button to open up the app info of Dasher app. Now here you want to tap on the permissions option. Then from here select location. Now tap on the allow all the time option. Now head back. Then you want to tap on the battery option. Here select unrestricted. This will allow the app to use battery in the background without restrictions. Once you do this, you can connect your phone to the car's CarPlay using Bluetooth or USB. Head over to Bluetooth on your device and then turn that on. Now you want to select the My Car option from here and connect your phone to the car's CarPlay. Now, the Dasher app should appear in the list of apps on the CarPlay screen. If the Dasher app does not appear automatically, select it from the list of apps. Once that is done, the Dasher's app direction will appear on your car screen. The screens on your phone will remain the same while connected to CarPlay. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.